In this lesson, we're going to be recreating the code from the previous lesson so it looks more concise and easier to read and edit. To do this, we make use of MyBlocks. The code used in the last lesson has some groups of code that look almost the same. For example, we use the same set of blocks to follow line. The only difference is the speed, the multiplying constant for the error, also known as the proportionality constant, and number of degrees we want the robot to move. A good practice in coding is to not repeat yourself. We can make the program in such a way that snippets of code are created once, and we can always refer to that snippet of code anytime it is required later on in the program. We do this by using MyBlocks and broadcast messages. To create a MyBlock, go to MyBlocks, click on Make a MyBlock. Click on Add a label to give it a name. I'll call mine Follow Line. Specify what parameters may change from one follow line to another by putting in inputs. I create inputs for speed, kp and degrees. Next, I put the previous group of code under the MyBlock and put the inputs in their respective positions. After this, I replace the follow line in the code with the MyBlock. I also create a MyBlock for follow line to black line. and another MyBlock for gyro straight movements. The code should give us the same results. Here is the code after creating all the MyBlocks. We can also use broadcast messages to raise the arm up and down because sometimes we need to raise and lower the arm when the robot is in motion. We will look at this in the next lesson where we take water from the box to the dispenser.